Hi travellers, I'm Ian's daughter Laleko and welcome back to my channel. I'm just doing a quick review of the room where I've stayed here in Hurghada. I realised I'm leaving and I haven't taken a video of the room, so I'm sorry, it's a tip because I am leaving. This is the standard room, so into the bathroom. It just has a shower, which is not great. It has mild at best temperatures. Really big closet, plenty of room to spread out your stuff. As I said, I'm leaving and so sorry, the bed is a mess. And then out to the balcony, which I have locked myself out of today. But you can see the amazing view from my room. Oh, Hurghada, you are beautiful. Pretty damn windy today as well. I don't know how those people are swimming. Anyway, that's the Sunrise Holidays Resort, all inclusive. I have really enjoyed my time here. Some of the food at the buffet is not great. I will say it's a bit hit and miss, but the service there is lovely. They will bring you drinks. The drinks package as well, with the all-inclusive, which is what I got, was much more enjoyable than Sharm el Sheikh. So please check out that review. If your travel budget can manage it. As you can see, this is the end of my trip to Egypt, so I was like, right, I'm gonna do it a little bit nicer. and I'm really glad I did. The staff here have been really nice. The beach is good, and they've got the beach bar just there, as you've seen. Right, it's time to go and catch my blue bus up to Cairo. Be sure to check out that. It's the next video. Alright, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And consider subscribing as I post new videos every week giving tips and strategies to help enhance your travel experiences.